the second year students. So I will discuss you about something that is transition elements, that is D block elements. So what is transition elements? Transition elements काहाको कहबा? The transition elements are those elements which have, first thing, incomplete D subcells, and it should contain 1 to 9 electrons, and its outermost shell should contain 1 to 2 electrons, and its electronic configuration is n-1 d 1 to 10 ns 1 to 2. The transition elements have incomplete D subcells. That means in D subcell contains 1 to 9 electrons. And its valency cell or large cell, that is n-1 D subcell, that is ns subcell, contain 1 to 2 electrons. So, why these elements are named as the transition elements, not other names? These elements are called transition elements. So, what are these elements? So, there are generally 9 elements, but 10th element is included in this series because of some reasons. So, what is that reason? We'll discuss that up. So, as D contains 1 to 10 electrons, so transition elements are also called D block elements. This is called transition element because these elements represent a transition or a change of state from most electropositive S block, that is S, then D, then P block. These are S block means more electropositive cations. These are more electronegative anions. In between these, electropositive and electronegative, these represent a transition or a change of state from metallic to non-metallic, electropositive to electronegatives. So that's why these D block elements are also called transition elements. Generally, in these transition elements, the last D subcells, that is D is fulfilled, it should not contain incomplete, but as the last subcell element but shows similar property to other those elements, they are also included in this series because of similarity in properties to rest 9 elements. D block रो लास्ट एलिमेंट जो 10टा एलिमेंट लास्ट एलिमेंटा पूर्व 9टा एलिमेंट रो सामंजस्य किछि प्रॉपर्टी देखौछि बा एका भलिया प्रॉपर्टी देखौथिबारु तेनु से ताकू मध्य डी ब्लॉक ट्रांजिशन ग्रुप रे इंक्लूड कराइछि लेकिन दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नेम्ड एज दिस. Okay, what is transition element? And transition elements are those D block elements which contains incomplete D subsets. and its valence shell contains 1 to 2 electrons. These are named as transition elements because these represent a change of state or transition from most electropositive metal to most electronegative non-metals. So that is the answer of transition elements. Another question is, second question, zinc, cadmium, mercury. Are not transition elements. But they are included in the series. They are considered as transition elements. Answer is, though zinc, in case of a zinc, the electronic configuration is 3d10 and cadmium, that is 4d10, that is 4s0, that is 5s0, mercury 5d10, 6x0. All these contains 10 electron in d subsets. As per the definition, it should not be the transition elements, but it is considered as a transition element because these elements show similar in properties like formation of halides, other chemical properties as those of other transition elements. Due to similarity in properties as those of other 9 transition elements, they are considered as transition elements. Okay, next question. For transition elements, or color compounds, why transition elements form color compounds? Generally, transition elements form color compounds due to 2 reasons. First reason is presence of unpaired electron in d subset. Second thing is due to electronic transition within the same D2, that is D2D, same subset. The presence of unpaired electrons in the D subcell absorb some lights from visible lights, that is absorb some colors from visible lights, and undergo transition within the same D subcells. Due to electronic transition, the color lights are transmitted which are complementary color of absorbed lights. For example, if it absorb all the colors, it will look black. If we transmit all the colors, it will look white. In case of, if it is complementary colors, that is, in case of the complementary color of yellow is violet, blue is orange, and green is red. If it absorbs these colors, it will radiate these colors. These are the complementary colors. These are the absorbed colors. So, due to electronic transitions, why the electrons in the D subcell undergo electronic transition? Because in a D subcell contains 5 orbitals: dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square. The energy of dxy, yz, zx, these are called T2g orbitals, and these are called Eg orbitals. In the ground state or a degenerate state, they are in equal energy level. By absorbing energy, the energy of this orbital decreases and this orbital increases due to difference in energy when the electron jumps from this orbital to these orbitals. By absorbing energy, it will jump from lower to higher energy. By radiating energy, it will jump from higher to lower. Due to this transition, the color lights are transmitted. So these color lights are complementary color of absorbed lights. That's why transition elements for color compounds in solid or in solution states. Like not other elements, S and P block elements, they are generally colorless. And generally S block elements, they also emit color in flame test. That is reason for other agents. But the color compounds of these transition elements are colored due to these properties. Okay.